everyone, Danny and welcome to BHP Cars. Today we are back in my garage. I've only got a couple of hours tonight, so I don't know how this video is going to go, if I even publish it or whatever. Also, I need to show you more of what I'm doing rather than just going, here, I've got to do this, and boom, it's there. Here's what I made earlier, and all that sort of crap. So I'm going to try and make these a lot better. I'll tell you what I do today is I make a fucking lot of mess. This garage used to be, well, the floor, agreement with the floor was, when I made this, was nothing was going to be on it except my toolbox, the gas cylinder, and the compressor. And fucking look at the state of it. Anyway, moving on. Right, so we've got this bar here. Now this is the engine mount I was on about, and I made probably in the previous videos where I made all the bushings and still got the plastic caps on it. We won't worry about that. And that is going to be going down somewhere like that, in there. And then it's going to get tacked onto that big bracket I made the other day and then get all shaped, and we'll try and shed some weight. I might drill some holes in it, just try and make it a bit lighter, but try and keep the strength. I also spoke to the people that now make this car but don't make this car, but might call it something else, and it's got a different body on it, so they kind of don't, but whatever. And they told me that as long as those bottom arms there, hang on, get the finger underneath, where's my finger there? That bottom arm is pretty horizontal, and then those drive shafts are actually in a pretty good position, and said having a bit of angle on the drive shafts is not always a bad thing. So fingers crossed all is well. My discs will be coming tomorrow or Thursday. So the plan for today is to get this obviously mounted, tacked in place, and then that's another engine mount complete, and I can get it sanded, rust treated, and get some paint on it. I can't powder coat this because I've obviously got the bush already made, so that's a bit of a cock, but never mind. Also I sold a bumper off the front of the donor car today, so another 75 quid going into the bin of this. So yeah, we are sucking diesel, I have to say. We are sucking diesel. So anyway, right, stick around, watch the video, and I'll catch you all very soon. It's a little tight. It's a little tight. Right, so I need to take off, I don't know what you can see. So I need to take off a bit of this back edge here and here because there's welds in there, so I'm just going to have to give that a little bit of a shine up with the grinder. We'll see, shall we? So, you see, just a bit of a, take the angle off, I can't get the tripod in, just takes the angle off, so let's just see if that fits. Right, the engine mount is in. I've still got my socket on it because it's kind of wedged and I've got to take it all out again, and I've clamped it to the bit of metal, so we now know that's the right angle and all the shenanigans. So all I'm going to do now is take this big bolt off, undo that bolt up there, put it off, get some tacks in, and then see if it will do the job. And then once I've got that, then basically what I'm going to do then is just cut out all the bits of metal I don't need. So I'm probably going to go from there kind of up to that point there, and then I can shape this a little bit and then run welds everywhere I can, and then hopefully that'll be good enough. So I'm just going to pull it all apart, get this bolt out down here, and then we should be good. And here we have it, it's out, it's all clamped in, it's in the vise, ready to start welding. So I'm going to get the MIG welder out because I can't be asked to TIG, and I'll just dump loads of heat in it and it'll look shit, but we'll make it look pretty at the end. And I'm going to stop welding there because I've got to take this off. Oh, hang on, where's my finger gone? I've got to take this off and then do something with the end cap. So I'm going to angle that. It's going to be an absolute nightmare to do, but this needs to be in the right place. And so yeah, so I'm going to stop about there, and then yeah, and then I'm going to then obviously like cut the back off, and it's going to look all pretty. It's all with me. My welds aren't that bad. If it ever focuses, come on, focus. Yeah, my welds aren't that bad. They're strong. I know they're strong because I built another car with them. So yeah, and obviously you can see the heat going into them and whatnot. So I'm going to set the tripod up over there, and I'm going to try and see if I can get this on camera. So we'll see. It may look pants, it may not, but I said I'm going to promise trying to do some more videos with me actually doing stuff rather than me just going, "Wait, here's what I made earlier." So yeah, anyway, right, crack on. So this is probably the best weld I've done. You know, it's melted and stuff, but I mean the first bit was pretty bad. And the splatter, man, I have no idea where to get rid of the splatter. But we'll make it all pretty in the end. Most of this is actually being chopped away from there to about there, from there to about there. That'll all be gone, and then all across this top here, that's going to be gone. That's going to be rounded off nicely. In fact, quite a bit of that's going to be gone as well. So yeah, it'll be alright, it'll be fine. You know, as long as the welds are strong, that'll do for me. Honestly, I would love to be able to weld brilliantly, but it's TIG welding I'm a little bit neater at, but TIG welding gas, it seems like a wasting gas on this when I've still got a stainless steel exhaust system to make up, and I'd rather use the gas for that really. But yeah, so we're getting there. All is going rather well. So yeah, so don't know what time it is. It's 10 to 6. So I'm probably just going to have a sweep up and a tidy up, let this cool down for a bit, and then once it's cooled down I'll put it back in the car and see how well it fits, if it still fits. You can see how much I had to grind off there to get that in the slot. But yeah, we're getting there. It's yeah, it's going to look fine when it's done. I am absolutely 100% certain of that. But yeah, anyway, right, thanks for watching. Actually, you can see my ugly mug. You ready? Ah. Oh, that's terrible. Well, thanks for watching. Please make sure you do like, share, subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. See you soon. Bye!